Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing one of the most common struggles people face, finding a compatible life partner. We all have an innate desire to connect with someone who shares our interests and values. We are not meant to be alone. But as we know, it's not always easy to find that special someone. Fortunately, there is a proven method that can help you manifest your desired partner using the law of assumption. Do stick around to the end of this video to learn more about this special technique that has worked for so many others, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on our future videos. Before diving into the process of how to attract the person you desire, it is important to understand the law of assumption. The law of assumption is a fundamental principle that applies throughout the universe. It was originally introduced by Neville Goddard, a renowned self-help teacher and author. The essence of this law is that our thoughts and assumptions shape our reality. What we imagine or assume in our minds eventually becomes a reality in the physical world. To manifest your desired person, the first step is to adopt a positive mindset and assume that they already exist in your life. This is where the law of assumption comes into play. By leveraging the power of your imagination and thoughts, you can create the reality that you desire. So how do we attract that special person? To attract a specific person through manifestation, the key is to envision yourself already living with them in your day-to-day life and believe that they are already a part of your reality. However, this can be difficult for some individuals because our brains often seek validation from the external world. Convincing ourselves that our desired person is truly manifesting in our lives may pose a challenge. Neville Goddard, a well-known author and self-help teacher, has proposed techniques that can aid in overcoming this challenge. The difficulty lies in the fact that our minds tend to reject thoughts that do not have physical evidence thereof. Thus, it is easier to manifest something if we can validate it with tangible proof. In the case of manifesting a specific person, bridging the gap between what we imagine in our minds and what we observe in the external world can be quite challenging. Nevertheless, with the right techniques and a positive mindset, it is possible to bridge this gap and manifest the desired person in our lives. Now, let's focus on the technique for manifesting a specific person in your life. Neville Goddard recognized that our minds often require validation from the external world, and he devised a useful technique for convincing our minds that something exists, even if it doesn't. This technique is called the SATs technique. The SATs technique involves living in the state of already having your desired person in your life. It's important to understand that manifesting a desired person is not just about bringing that person into your life, but it's about manifesting an entirely new life for yourself. To successfully manifest a desired person, you need to imagine everything related to that person, including your thoughts, lifestyle, routine, behavior, and other physical things that will change after manifesting that person. It's crucial to expand the circle of your imagination and assume that you have already manifested everything related to your desired person. If you have failed to manifest your desire, it may mean that your way of imagining your desire was not correct. By following the SATs technique and living in the state of already having your desired person in your life, you can make your mind believe that your desire has already manifested, and your reality will begin to reflect this belief. Once you have mastered the art of visualization and imagination, the next step is to live in a state where you believe that your desires have already been fulfilled. This can be challenging for some, but essentially, it means aligning your thoughts and actions with the reality that you wish to manifest. By doing so, you can easily convince your mind that your desires have already materialized. To accomplish this, take some time to envision your life after your desires have been fulfilled. Consider how your lifestyle, thoughts, behavior, and daily routine would change. Try to adopt these changes as if they have already occurred, and your mind will begin to believe them. It's crucial to remember that our minds require evidence to believe statements, so it's important to act as if your desires have already been manifested. One of the key aspects of manifesting a desire is being conscious of it. Your consciousness determines how you feel about things. If you are constantly thinking about the absence of your desire, it will bring you sadness. So, when you shift your state of desire, make sure to shift your consciousness from the absence to the existence of your desire. It's not enough to just change your external circumstances, you need to be aware of the change happening within you. To be conscious of your desire means to live it, not just assume it. For example, if you want to be a successful artist, don't just assume you are one. Act like one, create like one, and be conscious of the fact that you are one. By doing this, you are showing gratitude for what you have, rather than expressing neediness for what you lack. Neville Goddard believed that imagination creates everything in the universe. If we can't imagine something, it doesn't exist for us. But if someone else is conscious of the existence of the same thing, it exists for them. This is because imagination is a powerful creator that turns ideas and thoughts into reality. So, assuming and imagining that your desire is already yours is crucial to making it a reality. When it comes to manifesting your desires, it's not just about assuming that the person you want is already yours. It's also important to imagine how your life will shift and change as a result of having that person in your life. Visualize all the details of your desired situation, including how it will impact your behavior, lifestyle, and overall life. To make your manifestation more effective, it's helpful to have a clear and detailed picture of your desire. This can help you manifest it more quickly. Consider writing a scene that depicts your desired outcome. This can help you imagine it more vividly and imprint it in your mind. If you want to manifest a romantic partner, write a scene about meeting that person and falling in love. Make sure your scene is effective and includes every possible detail, including your emotions and feelings. When writing your scene, imagine how you will feel when your desire is fulfilled. What will your emotions and feelings be like? What will your life look like? The more vividly you can imagine your desired outcome, the more likely it is to become a reality. Remember, the things you have in your imagination will become real, so make sure you're visualizing what you truly want in life. After writing a scene, it's time to visualize it. This involves focusing and staying calm while immersing yourself in the scene. The key is to feel as if you're experiencing it in reality. Some experts suggest that the best time to do this is when your mind is less alert, like when you wake up or before going to sleep. You can also do it alone to enhance your focus. By repeatedly visualizing the scene with emotion and belief, your mind will begin to accept it as real. For example, when you wake up in the morning, take a deep breath and close your eyes. Visualize yourself standing in a beautiful garden surrounded by vibrant flowers and tall trees. Then, imagine your desired person walking toward you with a bright smile on their face. They take your hand and whisper into your ear that they love you. You feel overwhelmed with joy and happiness. At night, before you go to sleep, lie down and take a few deep breaths. Close your eyes and imagine yourself sitting on a beach with your desired partner. The sun is setting, and the sky is painted with beautiful shades of orange and pink. They lean in and give you a warm hug, telling you how much they love you. You feel their embrace and know that everything is perfect. As you visualize these scenes, feel the emotions deeply and let yourself become fully immersed in the moment. Believe with all your heart that these scenes will become a reality, and have faith that the universe will bring your desired person to you. Keep practicing these visualizations every day, and soon you will manifest the love you have been dreaming of. On the other hand, if you assume and believe that you won't get what you want, it won't happen. Therefore, it's important to have faith and believe that you will manifest your desire. With regular practice, affirmations, and visualizations, your mind will accept it as real and you'll soon see your desired person in your life. Remember, the power of manifestation is in your hands. I trust that my analysis of Neville Goddard's quote has been informative and insightful. However, it's important to note that we may not necessarily agree with every aspect of his beliefs. Ultimately, it's up to each individual to form their own opinions. By discussing and dissecting Goddard's ideas and methods, we can gain a better understanding of his teachings and overall philosophy. As a highly influential teacher who has inspired millions of people worldwide, it's worthwhile to examine his work in depth. If you have any thoughts or opinions to share, please feel free to leave a comment below this video. And if you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos on manifestation. Thank you for watching.